What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Your boy is back from my little vacation, and it's my birthday. Well, by the time you guys see this video, it probably won't be my birthday anymore, but September 11th is my birthday, so yeah, whenever this video goes live, or yeah, say happy birthday to me in the comments, alright? I'm actually on my way to buy a new lens. As you guys know, last time I went, I didn't find the lens that I wanted, so I kept doing some research and stuff like that. And then I came across a really good lens, and I've heard a lot of good things about it and stuff like that. And so that's what we're gonna go try to get right now. As you guys can see, I am not in the 440,000. I am in my work car right now, but hopefully they have the lens online. They said they did. Yeah, my biggest thing right now is probably like finding parking around there, but it should be fine though. Let's go, man. I'm super excited because I want the videos to be as amazing as possible for you guys. So I think spending some money on a new lens is just gonna make the videos that much better. Yo, these buildings always amaze me, bro. How tall and oh, you can see the freaking clouds, bro. It's about to rain, but look at this building, bro. They're super cool. I'm not gonna lie. Every time I come in here, I'm like, I just wonder how they did this shit. We're back at it again in the store, yeah. This is where they got the sauce, bro. Look at this. 8,000. And I think that's just for like the lens. I think that's not even the actual. I think this is just for the actual camera itself. That is so expensive. We got a whole bunch of camera, but my car's not even in a good spot. So let's go do what I came here to do. Let's get this lens real fast and bounce, bro. So look, guys, this is pretty much what I'm looking for right here. You guys can see pretty much everything, bro. That's what I'm going for. Because my other one, look, I have the camera super close to me, and it's still like kind of far. So like now I can like capture everything right now, which is like, gee, you can see everything, man. You can see it all, man. This is what I'm looking for, man. What you think? Let me know. Fire. A lot of people say it's not about, you know, what you have, but if you can't afford getting a new lens and making the videos quality that much better, why not? You know what I'm saying? So that's what I plan to do. Lens acquired. Now time to sit in traffic for a whole hour because this is the worst time for me to be driving. But I'll probably do a little POV drive for you guys once I get home, and then we'll just do that because I have been gone for a little while, so you guys haven't seen a video from me for over a week, which is kind of unusual. As you guys know, I like posting a lot of videos for you guys as much as I can, honestly. Yo, what the heck is this? I'm still on my way home, y'all, and I'm caught in the storm. What? Hey, hold on, I can't even see. Nah, yeah, see this shit? This shit is crazy. Oh, it was not even raining like 5 seconds ago. Literally like 5 seconds ago. And now, we got rain all over the place, man. Oh my God. Well, at least I'm getting a free car wash. Nah, this is going crazy though. Chill. I don't know if the camera can even see what I'm seeing, but this is crazy. Hey, at least you guys get to see the new camera. The new camera setup, y'all. In the rain. POV drive in my not 440,000. Nah, I'm just playing. I gotta get home though. Let me put this camera down before I mac. Nah, hold on. I had to pick up the camera back up. This is crazy, bro. Nah, this is creating hella traffic, gang. I'm just trying to get home, bro. Yo, I hope the 440,000 don't get flooded. Cause, yo, this is getting crazy real fast, man. I'm just trying to get home so I can play with my new lens, man. Yes, sir, I got a new lens, baby. Hold on, I don't know if I can see me right now, but I hope so. I know it's a little dark. If I could say one thing about this lens, that when I was researching it, the one thing that they kept saying is that it's not the best under low light, which is fine though, because I don't really record at night with this camera. As you guys know, I do like when I do the POVs, I do it with my GoPro, so it's whatever. But I really like this camera so far, or the lens. And we in the rain, man. Oh my gosh, creating puddles already, bro. Can I just get home, bro? Damn, bro, I'm hungry, bro. This is a fucking puddle, yo. Yo, what the heck? Nah, I need to get home, bro. Forget this. Get me home, gang. Hopefully that's the last one we run into, because I'm almost home, but like not really, bro. The way we're moving, I'm there, but not there, man. My beautiful 440,000 is getting wet. No. And I'm getting one inside. I need to leave. What's up, guys? It is day 2 right now. I know I promised you guys that I was gonna do a little POV drive for you guys. As you guys can see, your boy ain't got no gas again. We got like 3 miles left of gas. This is my new lens now, guys. So as you guys can see, it's a lot wider than what you guys are probably used to. Hold on, let me show you guys the V real quick because I just came back from my trip and I haven't driven my car in who knows how long, but my car's looking extra dirty. It's looking extra white too. So let me go ahead and put this down so you guys can see it better. There's a 440,000. We got the 440,000. 440,000 with no gasolina. Oh, this guy's trying to come and I'm blocking him. My fault, bro. What happened?
How much you selling it?
Selling what?
The truck.
Never.
That's why I see you putting videos. That's why.
Yeah, I'm at YouTube. Alright. Damn. Somebody was trying to buy the car off me, bro. I should have said, yeah, I'll sell it to you for $1 billion. But anyway, let's go ahead and get some gas, do the drive, get to the gym, and keep it rolling, bro. So let's go. Yo, we got some dashes on my thing right now. Anybody else think that's not a good sign? I don't think so. I don't even know where I'm going right now. I'm supposed to be going to the gas station, but for some reason, I don't know why I went this way. Damn, I miss driving my car, bro. It's been, I think it's been, like 10 days since last time I drove my car. And if you guys know me, you guys know that I freaking daily drive this car every single day. Like, this is my daily, bro. Like, I drive this to the gym. I drive this everywhere besides work. That's the only time I don't drive this car. And not having it for 10 days and now coming back to it, it feels weird. A little weird, because I'm not, you know, I'm used to always driving it. So, but it feels good to be back, man. We're back in the 440,000. I don't know where I'm driving to right now. I need to find a gas station. That's what I know for sure, because I have nothing left, bro. Yo, I'm about to have to start a freaking GoFundMe page, bro, because this is too crazy right now, bro. The heck? Is that a damn spider, bro? Nah, that spider is scary. I'm gonna put it to 7 gallons. Oop. Oh, I passed by 30-something cents. Alright, well, that's what you wrote, folks. Sticks, subscribe. Alright, homies. We got 179 miles now. Well, 175. Bro, it was 179. Well, now 174? Nah, how is it 173? How is it going down? I haven't even moved the car. Let's go ahead and throw you guys on the GoPro and let's go for a little drive. Man, I feel like I haven't heard my car in sport in such a long time. Let's go ahead and pop it into sport. Just put gas and I'm already wasted. Isn't that crazy? Oh, my car's feeling crazy already. Oh. Well, no burgles. Still not warm. Not warm enough yet. Alright, there we go. Put my camera back there. Oh, let me switch lanes because this bump right here is crazy. Man, y'all missed me, bro. We back, baby. I missed y'all, man. I missed y'all. I know there's a crazy bump coming up. I need to avoid it. Let me switch lanes. I missed y'all, bro. I don't know if y'all missed me, but I missed y'all. You feel me? Damn, my car feeling pushy right now. What's up? What's up with you, boo? What's up with you, boo? You missed me? I think my 440,000 missed me too, a little bit. It's all love. Feels a little, I don't know, feels a little loose for me. Feels good though. I should probably check the tires and all of that, because like I said, I haven't driven this car in a minute, in like 2 weeks, and so I'm sure the tires is good, but I think they're fine. So, let's see if we can run into anything on the way to the gym here. But I wanted to do a POV yesterday. That I didn't miss those bumps. I wanted to do a POV yesterday, but it was like a storm and it was mad rain, a lot of floods and everywhere. And so I was like, nah, I am not leaving the crib. It's too dangerous. 'Cause
Last time I did that, I lost the front lip, and yeah, no, it's not worth it. So, but today's a beautiful day, so today we can do what we do, you know what I'm saying? Very nice out. That's the thing with New York, that like when it rains, right? But like the next day it's gone, like you didn't even know it rained the day before. It's a Tesla. Damn, I hear my intake's OD. Oh, damn, this car is fast, bro. I don't know. Sometimes I gotta get used to it, driving it so much that you don't even know how fast it really is. And like for what it has, just a tune, bro, like this is fast, bro. Like I'm sure if I turbo this car, bro, that would be crazy. I wouldn't do it to my daily, just because like, bro, if something breaks, I don't got the money to be fixing this thing, you know what I'm saying? But maybe in the future if we get some money, I honestly would turbo this car. Like if I know I was gonna keep it. Look at these two are gonna mac. Oh my god, I would turbo this car if I had another car, which I do, but that's like my work car. Turbo kit is like mad expensive. You're looking to spend like $7,000, bro. Like what? That's OD. That's way too much that I still want to do to this car to be thinking about turboing this car, you know what I'm saying? But it would be cool though, just so I can make this car like really fast, like actually really fast. This is really fast for me, fast enough for me, but I know for other people who will be racing him and doing all this is not fast enough. But it's a good car though. It's an amazing car. Oh, that freaking intake, bro. Yeah, let me put the back windows down a little bit so I can hear it. And that was just those downshifts. Oh man. Once you punch it into second, that's when it really goes. Oh my god. Woo! Let's go. I missed you, baby. Oh my god, this car brings a smile to my face, bro. I could be having the worst day, and this car, bro, this is like, every time I see it, I'm like, damn, I still have that though. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not an M, I get it. It's not like a M3, M4, but it's my car, bro, and I love it. So, and this is me, man. This is what I can have, and this is what I have, and I love it. I love my little beautiful dirty man. Oh, hey yo, that was pause, but I love my beautiful little, I don't know, baby, I guess. It's my little guy, man. It's my son. Oh my god, bro. I know you guys can't really hear it, bro, like that, but bro, it sounds good, bro. And keep in mind, guys, I only have a resonator, a res delete, and a downpipe, and that's that. Well, I haven't been on this side of the freaking, I haven't been over here in a minute, bro. Maybe Eamon is here. I haven't seen Eamon in a while too. We'll see once we get in there. Oh, look at that. Oh shoot, I don't see the freaking side of this shit. Okay, is that the something? I don't know, look at those cars, but it's nice. The yellow is it sounds a little deep right now, maybe just because it's been, you know, sitting for so long, hasn't been driven in a while. I need a wash too at some point this week. Yes, sir. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, it's my first time back in the gym too after 2 weeks. Why make it sound like it was such a long time? But to me, it feels like it's been so long, bro. Like OD long, even though it hasn't. What happened here? They macked. There was mac sauce. Meow. It's what time is it? 5:55. I don't even know if Eamon's here yet. If he came today. What are you doing? Dale vieja, dale vieja. W driver. There you go. Oh, y'all hear that? Y'all hear that shenanigans? Oh, this parking lot is empty today. Nobody here. Oh, talk about that. Look at the guys right here. Should I park next to them? I should, right? I'm gonna park right next to them so y'all can see what's up. There we go. Look at the boys right here. I'm about to get on and show you real quick. I just pulled up. Now look at the guys. There's A-Man's 330,000. There's his brother, which was A-Man's 435,000. And then we got my car, the beautiful 440,000. That's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe down below. Comment any other video ideas you guys wanna see. Let me go get this workout in. Videos are coming back, going crazy. I'm about to try to post as much as I can for you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.